Imagine losing weight, sleeping better, and having more energy, all by changing your diet. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the green Mediterranean diet. Growing up, I loved vegetables. So when I heard about the green Mediterranean diet, I was excited to try this plant-based spin on the traditional Mediterranean diet. The green Mediterranean diet eliminates red and processed meats and adds green tea, walnuts, and duckweed, a high-protein aquatic plant. My goals were simple: increase my vegetable intake, boost my energy levels, and make healthier eating choices. I started my journey by stocking up on fruits and veggies at my local farmers market. Planning meals for the first week was key to staying on track. I found a lot of recipes online and even borrowed some Green Med cookbooks from my library. By the end of the first week, I was already enjoying the new recipes and the fresh, home-cooked meals. In week 2, I noticed I was sleeping better and had more energy during the day. Shopping with a specific list and meal plan also proved cost-effective. Trader Joe's became my go-to for unique items like marinated olives and Green Goddess seasoning blend. I also started drinking 3 cups of green tea daily, which was surprisingly easy to incorporate into my routine. Week 3 brought a challenge: dining out. I enjoyed pasta pomodoro and warm focaccia bread, but stayed committed to the green MED lifestyle. By week 4, I had lost 6 pounds and noticed my clothes fitting better. My mood and energy levels were also significantly improved. One of my favorite breakfast recipes was a peanut butter and chia berry jam English muffin, offering a quick and protein-packed start to the day. I also loved making a soothing green tea latte, a delicious alternative to my usual morning coffee. For lunch, Mediterranean roll-ups became a staple, providing a high-fiber, quick, and delicious option. Dinner often featured baked Mediterranean white fish, an easy and healthy meal for busy weeknights. My family enjoyed plant-based veggie rigatoni bake, a comforting and easy-to-prepare pasta dish. For dessert, I indulged in easy chocolate avocado pudding, a creamy, high-fiber treat that satisfied my chocolate cravings. The green Mediterranean diet is based on the cuisine of countries bordering the Mediterranean Sea, known for their high life expectancy and low incidence of heart disease and cancer. The Green Med diet is rich in anti-inflammatory compounds called polyphenols, which contribute significantly to its health benefits. Research suggests the Green Med may be more effective at reducing visceral fat and improving cardiometabolic health than the original Mediterranean diet. Eliminating meat from your diet can also reduce your carbon footprint, as plant-based foods account for fewer global greenhouse emissions. The Green Med diet includes plenty of produce, healthy fats, green tea, walnuts, and duckweed, while eliminating red and processed meats. Studies show the Green Med reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, certain cancers, and metabolic syndrome. One study found the Green Med reduced stubborn belly fat by twice as much as the original Mediterranean diet. Another study showed the Green Med reduced fat in the liver, a condition known as metabolic dysfunction-associated steatotic liver disease. To ensure you get the right nutrients on a primarily vegetarian diet, consider vitamin and mineral supplementation, especially for vitamin B12, iron, and calcium. Duckweed is a good source of vitamin B12 and iron, making it a valuable addition to the Green Med diet. The Green Mediterranean diet can be sustainable long-term when individualized to meet your specific lifestyle, budget, and dietary needs. For families with mixed dietary preferences, plan meals around the Green Med and offer simple animal-based foods on the side as needed. While the Green Med is highly regimented, it offers significant health benefits and can be a realistic long-term lifestyle for many. Ready to transform your health one meal at a time? Embrace the Green Mediterranean diet and feel the difference. Stay green, stay healthy.